Welcome to RSK Solution. In this video, we are going to explain you how you can install a pump that works with the pressure switch. You can see we have a pressure pump. If you see the description, it's like this. It can work up to 10 meter on the height. The benefit of this pump is you can install on the roof, inside the tank, or also inside tank in the basement. And whenever you use the water tap, it will give you the pressure even the downside and also on the upside. To make a connection between a pump and a pipe, so we are going to use a pipe of 22. So we are going to make the connection with the pump and a pipe. So we are going to use the fitting to make it reducer, and also check the no return wire should be connected properly. Check it like that. You can use a thread tape, and sometimes you can use a washer. So we are going to use a socket to make a connection between a pipe and a pump. So tight it good. First you can tight it with the hand and carefully connect it. To avoid the damage of the thread, do it carefully. First tight it with the hand as much as you can. Then you can use adjustable spanner or a monkey plier to close it well. So we are going to connect it here with this tongue. So we are going to use this kind of fitting to make a connection with this pipe and a new pipe. We are going to use a male 22 adapter and adjustable spanner. You can tight it very good. We are going to use the pipe of 22. First we make a sleeve and silicone spray and connect it like that and tight it well to make a good connection. Then we are going to put the pump inside the tank. This time we are going to install this pump inside the tank. Put it on the nice place so the pump should not move. So make sure the place is good. Then check the position and make the holes to pass a pipe, and also make the hole to pass a wire. For the electricity of the pump, we are going to use the sleeve. If you are going to use the same brand, when you press it, it goes inside and you can tight it like that. So make sure it's a good. You can cut the extra pipe. So we are going to use the elbow. So depending on the place, you can use the right fittings. To make a connection, we are going to use the elbow. So you can use the sleeve, silicone spray, and make a connection like that. Tight it very well. We are going to use another elbow, and again we are going to tight it well. We are going to take out the extra wire of the pump, and we are going to install a shut valve. So in case of use, we can turn it off the water if we want. Use the silicone spray and tight it good. And this is very important, you should have one shut valve. And check all the connections. Now we are going to make the connection of electrical wires. In case if you are making the connection outside, you can use a junction box like that. If you are using the junction box, the benefit of this is if you put outside, the rainwater will not go inside. You can strip the wires and make the connection, and the China connector, put it inside, and then you can make the cover like that. And best thing is use a good quality junction box so the water should not go inside. Tight the screw well. So make sure there is no loose connection, and then you can make the groove made like that. Tie them well on both sides. And tight it good. And now you can see the pump is connected. When you turn on the tap, the water will start coming with the pressure. And make sure all the connections are good, the pipe and electrical wire as well. You can see we make it like that, and the wire is going down from here. And turn on the pump and leave it for a while. So make sure all the connections are good, the electrical wire and the pump. So as you can see, we have shut valve here, we have this connection, and you can leave the extra wire like that. In case if you have overflow pipe, you can close it like that. So now we are going to install another pump. This time we are going to install this pump inside the sump, inside the well. We have similar pump. This time we are going to install this pump inside the tank, but in the basement. We are going to use a similar fitting to make a reducer in different fittings depending on the position. We have male adapter. We are going to make the connection like that. We are going to check no return valve. We have a washer here. We are going to tighten it with the hand. And now you can see the reducer is ready. We are going to connect the pipe of 22. You can use whichever pipe you want. Tight it good. You can make a rope like that in case if you are going to put it inside the tank in the basement or a sump. So like that you can pull it out easily. Now we put the pump inside the tank. You can see. First we are going to check it, and we are going to make the connection like that because we don't have long enough wire to reach its safe place. So we are going to use a junction box, this kind of junction box. We are going to make the electrical tape and tight it good like that. This one have IP65 rating, and you can put it high like this because the water will stay always down, and tight it like that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.